handlers, buddy.
Jesus Christ.
Is Ross back?
Yeah, he's back.
Oh, good.
What the
Just
fuck
fast
did I just...
forwarding.
Ross.
Cactus, what the fuck did I just walk into?
Raz.
Oh my god.
Going Super Saiyan.
Yeah,
The
he'll
dragon.
be kicked out by the end of the night.
The dragon.
Yeah, he's gonna get kicked out by the end of the night. Like, don't feel like
If only he wasn't.
God damn.
I'm gonna put down a bet. Who wants to think that Ross will get kicked out by the end of the night? I put $5 down.
How do you guys like the new
Ross, happy birthday to Ross. Happy birthday. Let's all sing it.
Is it?
Happy birthday.
Is it Ross's birthday?
No, I'm Ross.
Oh,
Happy
okay.
Mother's
Just
Day. Happy
yeah.
Mother's Day.
This is actually turning into the biggest load of clusterfuck, cancerized shite
Don't-
around. What the
Ross,
this
Russ,
has been the
Russ.
highlight of my day.
I know.
It actually has been my day too. Actually.
Like, Cole, I see. Hey, Cole, I know you don't like me, but I mean, goddamn, you have to fucking.
I think he may have just killed himself, guys.
Yeah,
I
but
think,
you have.
oh shit.
He
He
hasn't
left.
killed.
He's not
Cole,
gonna do it. He's not gonna do it.
Cole, you have to admit this is probably the funniest shit you've ever fucking seen
I
in the
know.
last 2 fucking weeks. Fuck your fucking Papa Grizz fucking bullshit. Fuck fucking dealing with fucking Green Dream. This has to be the funniest shit you've ever fucking seen in a long ass time. God.
Yeah,
Get it
this second.
I still don't even understand what I did to get him